Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to see the restoring of Rolls-Royce. So this is a toy car and it's fully rusted. As we can see that this person is removing all the parts of the toy car. It's completely destroyed car. We can see he's removing every single part of the car. He's removing seats, all the wires, and the body is totally damaged. It's been rusted and it's been had several dents on it. So he's using primer to get rid of the rust. All the doors, roof, and all the frame of the car. Now he has removed all the rust and he's now heating all the body parts in order to remove the dents. You can see he's using some sort of plaster of Paris or some material. Okay, so basically now he's using a base coat and now he's heating it, and it has completely turned into stainless steel and it looks quite amazing. Okay, so it has been completely changed. Now he's using 24 karat synthetic gold and is mixing it into some sort of chemical or in water. Mixing it all around. And he's pouring it into the spray. So we can see the first coat is being applied on the car, and to be honest, it's look quite good. So far, it's been looking so good. So another heating. Now he's taping the base of the car, and I think he's gonna color. And yes, he's giving a proper vibe to the Rolls-Royce. He's coloring it into the black from the top, and yes, it looks luxury. Now he's washing all the interior parts, the seats. It looks quite natural and it looks quite real. Okay, so he's using some sort of sandpaper and he's sanding all the parts. And gluing all the damaged parts of the interior and refurbing it. Now he's using black color and is spraying and painting it. He has completely changed the car and he's now hydro dipping it into the wooden part, and it looks quite natural and real, man. He's getting to every inch, to every detail. Now fixing all the chairs back to the car. Man, you can see that he's noticing every inch and every detail. Okay, so now he has washed the main screen, and he's now sanding it and polishing it. And he has completely made it into a new one. changing the rods, straightening them up, and dipping them into again gold color. He's using cotton buds to clean every inch of the car. These are the damaged tires, and he has brought some new tires and new rims. Now fixing them back to the car, fixing all the interior back to the car. Fixing them back to car, and he has bought some new LEDs and a sound system. Fixing back the main screen, back screen, rear view screen, sunroof, and now the toy engine, the main grille, the wiper areas, the seats, and here we go. Our car is almost done, and now he's printing the main logo Range Rover from the back and on the front, and here we can see our car is ready. Thank you so much.